What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to transform your WordPress website into a team, a league, or a club sport website, all for free without coding. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access on the browser address bar your domain plus WP admin, enter with credentials, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see an option called Search Plugins. Click and type sportspress, just like this. And here is the guide you're looking for, sportspress, sports club and league manager. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, okay? And here we're gonna get things started. Welcome to SportsPress. Thank you for choosing SportsPress to power your sports website. The quick setup wizard will help you to configure the basic settings. It's completely optional and shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes. So let's go. Time zone, it's important. Now the sport, you can choose a couple of sports, okay? All up to you. In my case, it's gonna be football, soccer. It can be the primary league, but you can change the name, and the season can be 2025, 2026, all up to you, okay? Click on continue. What is your team called? Who are you playing against next? So the rival team. You can change the name in the case that you want as well. Players 1, 2, 3, 4. Staff. Now you can enter the name of your players and your staff. Enter squad number, name and position for each player, okay? All up to you and to your needs, okay? Continue. Now the name. Enter the default of your home venue. All up to you, okay? But you can change in the case that you want. You can search on the map as well. Pages, calendar, league table and player list. This is a tip on where you can get started. Let's continue. Schedule your first event or upgrade to Pro. All up to you, okay? I'm gonna schedule my first event. As you can see, you need to configure every single part in the case that you want. You can enter a featured image, a video about the game in the case that you want. We can configure the results, the scores. You can change the team members. Let's publish. And let's see the results we got. Here's the player location, the details, the time, the name, the season, the results. Seems nice, right? You can also use the shortcodes in the case that you want. For example, right here we have a shortcode that you can copy and place into any other page to display the results, okay? And right here on events, you can see the full event, where you can copy and place. You can add new locations right here, and the calendars right here. Right here on overview, you can have a bigger view of your status. Of course, as much info as you add, better gonna looks. And on league, you can configure the league information. You can enter a description, almost like categories of your blog, okay? We have staff, where you can enter with staff members. We have players, where you can configure all of the players of your team, of your league. You can enter team's information, for example, the team logotype, the team emblem, the team symbols, okay? And after having all the information, you can put things together. Using the shortcodes that the plugin provides. In the case that you go to theme, for example, the visual theme, you can enter the theme description to talk about your theme, the staff, the leagues, the players. You can enter the site URL of the theme, if the theme have some URL, the seasons, the home, the short name, the abbreviation, and of course the logo of your theme. For example, Visualmodo theme, I'm gonna use the Visualmodo logotype. Let me upload it. Just like this. Now, in the case that I want to display this event information, let me copy the results shortcode, go to page, add new. You can apply this into a blog post of your site, for example, but let's add this into a page. Just like this, all I have to do is paste the shortcode, publish the page, and let's review the results we got. And here is the result of the match. Let's test another shortcode so I can show you. Here is the full info. Now with the logo displayed. Of course, I would need to apply the logo for the other team, but I think you already got the idea. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!